Good afternoon, and I wanted you to come into my studio today while I am painting on this painting and join me. I am just blocking in some layers on top of the foundation that I had already started previously, and adding with a Messermeister scraper. Using an Inovart brayer. I paint very intuitively. I don't really have an exact plan of where this piece may be going. I'm spritzing with Gamsol to do a solvent lift, which allows some of the under layers to come through, and it leaves some beautiful marks. It's part of a signature of my work. I really enjoy showing the layers underneath. And I continue to layer color, and it changes moment to moment. Every time you touch a painting, you change the painting. So it's a matter of working it to the end that you want it to come to. This is Asphaltum, which is another color that I love, made by Gamblin. And I just apply layer after layer. The Gamsol needs to sit for a few minutes so that it pulls up the under color and gives you a beautiful finish. I'm going to brayer now with some warm white. I'm going to press some tissue paper in by brayering over it. working into this piece. Picking up some more color on my brayer. Change edges very slightly, very subtly. This is a color shaper. This is an R&F Oil pigment stick. Beautiful way of working. It sort of glazes over top of the history that you have built underneath. This painting will change quite a few times before I'm completely finished with it. But I wanted you to join me as I work on this piece for the next few videos, so you can see how I build the surface. Oops. Next video we will continue and we will be doing some mark making and more layers. Thank you everyone for watching.